video we will see how to create indicators using the formula field and static resources. Every time we don't opt for the text, right? So sometimes we would like to show them as a picture, so that we will see today. And this is using the static resources, and I will also tell you how to do with the general URLs also. So what I'm thinking is, like, first let's have some fields. Okay, two fields on the account object. One is gender and the other one is category. Okay, gender will goes with male, female, and category adult and then child. So if the gender is male and the category is adult, I want to show the adult image, adult male image. Okay, similarly gender female and then category adult, I want to show a woman image, like that. So let's go and create the field first. New, so it's a pick list field. Next, and I want to give it as gender, enter the values, it is male and the other one is female, and I don't want to give any default value, I'll make it as visible. Next, and I want to add it to all the layouts. And next pick list field is category. Category, enter the values. Categories, first one is adult, second one is child. Next, visible. Next, and then save. So we are using the static resources, right? So let's go and upload the images first. So first image, it is adult male. I want to choose the, I have already downloaded few, so adult male, right? So I want to upload this, I want to show this image. Okay, adult male, I'll make it as public and then save. And I want to upload similarly for all the use cases. Adult female, so adult female, I want to show this emoji and then save. And next I want to go with the child boy, and then public, save. And then child girl, choose file, child girl, I want to show this pen, and then go with the public and then save. Now we are good with the static resources. So let's go and create a field to display. So how we display this is using the formula field. So let's go and choose the formula, and then next, so indicator, I'm giving the name as indicator, and the return type should be text. Okay, now next, now let's choose the advanced formula. Now we have the functions, right? So let's choose the if function. So if the gender is male and the category is adult, so the first one is that, right? So let's add is equal, since the function is since the field is pick list field, we have to go with that. So insert field, it's category, right? Category, insert. So if category is adult, so we have to give this adult, and we also want to check the gender, right? And gender is also pick list, so let's copy the same, and here we should go and check for the gender, GHI. Okay, here it is, and what, so it is copied outside. So here gender, and gender is male, so adult male we want to go with, and also while giving this text literal, we have to make sure that whatever the value we have given in the pick list, that should be here. Okay, so what should happen if it is true? What we want to do, we want to display the image, right? So let's add this in the new line. Okay, if it is false, in the new line. So if it is true, we have to display the image. So image tag we have to use, value true, I'm removing that. So what is the image that we want to show is from the static resource, right? So we have to /resource, then it will fetch from the static resource, adult male. We want to show adult male, correct? And then that's all. You don't have to give any .png, .jpg like that, okay? Alternate text, like for example, if the emoji is not there, what you want to display? So I want to display it as adult male. And next one is height and width, like what should be the height of that emoji and what should be the width of the emoji. So I want to give that as 20 and 20. Okay, this is for the first use case, correct? Similarly, if it is false, that means like that condition is not satisfied. So again we need one more if, right? I will copy the same thing and I will put it in the false condition. So we will have the false again here. So category now adult, let's go the gender as female now, female. And then here what adult female, we have this, whatever the names we gave to the static resources, we should give those only here also. I will show again static resources, and whatever the names we gave here, those should be referred here, only then it will fetch. So gender email, I want to display the image of adult female, and text also I want to make sure it is adult female. And if this is also not satisfied, in the false we will write one more if, right? So I am going to do that. And now category is child and the gender is male, let's go. Then it should be child boy, CHILDBOY. So here also copy the same thing, C is capital. Alternate text also I want to give the same. Now if this is also not satisfied, then we have to have one more thing, right? Let's copy the same thing. Now here category child, here it is female. Now it is child girl. Copy the same for the alternate text. Now if nothing is there, like that's all, we have conditions, we don't have any more, null in the false. And again we have to close all these three ifs, right? So we have to add 3 more brackets, sorry, parenthesis. Okay, we have closed this if, and then this if, and then this if, and finally the main if. Let's check the syntax. Okay, syntax is correct, and then go next. Should be visible, next, and then let's save this. Now I don't want to go and check in the details or everything, I just want to create one list view. Okay, let's create the new one and let's put the name as indicator list view. Like if they want to check, they can come in, all users can see this. Save this, and let's add fields. Let's add the gender field, and then category field, and then indicator field. Okay, and let's remove this billing, phone, type, owner alias. So let's go with this. Save. Now we don't have any records with these values, so let's create new. So I want to give adult male, so gender is male, category is adult. Save. And similarly I will create all the conditions. Adult male is done. Now it's adult female, so gender is female, and then adult. Save. And then let's go with new one. Adult, so child female, so gender is female, category is child. Save and new. Now child male, so male, and then child, and then save. Now all those indicator should be there. So let's go to the list view which we created. See, if you check for the female and the adult, the emoji is this. Male, adult, the emoji is this. Female child, the emoji is this. Okay, this is not so clear, like the image which I downloaded is having some background, it's just not pure emoji like this. That's why it is showing up this way, and I can show you that also once you file. So it is having the background, but for the other emojis it is just emoji. That's why it is very clear. Okay, this way. So this is having so much of background, that's why it is not so clear. And male child, it's boy image. Okay, I'll just zoom this a bit to be understand clearly. Okay, this is how we add the indicators. And if you want to go with the public URLs, like you don't want to upload them in your static resources and you want to go with the public URLs, then for the same thing, in place of the resource slash and the name, you have to give the URL of the image. Like if you want to download it from Google, just give that link here so that it will fetch from there. But generally we will go with the static resource always. Okay, thank you.